Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a Super Mario Mushroom Power-Up Mii on a Nintendo Switch. So you want this face, none of these, and this skin tone. Feel free to pause at any time because I do go quite quickly, I realise that. This hair, and make it red, that colour. These eyebrows, these positions, and make them white. These aren't actually eyebrows. These are to make the little white bits in the eyes, because mushrooms have those. Speaking of eyes, these positions, and keep it black. Keep them black. For the nose, the mushrooms don't have noses, and I tried my best to hide it, but it didn't go so well, so I just got this nose and these positions just to make it as invisible as possible. For the mouth, same thing, I just used this mouth, these positions, it's down there, and this colour to blend in with the skin tone. No facial hair, no mole. Gender, mushrooms don't have genders, but I just put it as male. Body, make them short and skinny. Glasses, these positions, and make them white. This is the little circles in the head. I couldn't make 3, so I just made 2. Favourite colour, I just put it as yellow because it's closest to the skin tone, even though mushrooms don't have bodies. And nickname, Mushroom. So there you have it. That is how you make a Mushroom Mii on the Nintendo Switch. Have a nice day and thanks for watching. Bye.